Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to print images from Microsoft Paint in 2026. First, open Microsoft Paint on your Windows computer. Then open the image that you want to print. After the image opens, click the File menu in the top left corner of the Paint window. From the menu, click Print. You will see the print options. Click Print again to open the printer settings window. Select your printer from the list. If you have more than one printer connected, choose the one you want to use. Next, check the print settings. You can choose the paper size, such as A4 or letter. You can also choose the orientation, either portrait or landscape, depending on your image. If you want the image to fit the page properly, click Page Setup from the print menu. Here you can adjust the paper size, margins, and scaling options. After making the changes, click OK. To see how the image will look before printing, click Print Preview. This will show the layout of the image on the paper. If everything looks good, close the preview and return to the print window. Finally, click the Print button. Your image will be sent to the printer and printed. Printing from Microsoft Paint is quick and simple. You can print photos, screenshots, drawings, or any image that opens in Paint. That's it. This is the easiest way to print images from Microsoft Paint in 2026. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials.